How to turn on two-factor authentication in Workana. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set it up. First of all, you must go to this website named workana.com. Now this interface will pop up. Here on the right top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here select your profile name. Here there's a drop down of my account. Simply tap on my account. So basically we in this settings interface. Here you can find different options and can even customize it. Here there's a section of security. Tap on security. So this is the place where you can turn on two-step authentication. Here simply tap on this button. So in order to turn it on, you must have Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. So you must install another app and simply put on the code. Later you can verify it and it's all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.